yung mga tigers, ayan. At meron na rin silang tinatawag namin krokoloko. Kasi maluloko ko sa crocodile. Maglalakad ka sa ilalim nila, which is we have about approximately 200 crocodiles. Doon naman sa may Subic Safari na sinasabi namin yung mga tigers, sa mga tigers ko, kayo yung nakakulong. Yung mga tigre ang nakakawala. Okay? That's one of the ideas wherein we train them in their natural habitat. So yung bait na manok, yung 200 pesos na pag-share nyo pag sumakay kayo sa jeepney, yun yung ginagawa namin training sa kanila. So, ganun po kasi yung ginagawa nila. So, para hindi po mawawala yung individual activities. So, maraming activities aside from Subic Safari. Then we have now approached one of the highlights of Subic during the time of EFEC. The one you can see now on your right side, you can see some of the areas of our Subic Bay International Airport. Okay? Out of the standard, hindi mo kami pwede busy like Ninoy Aquino International Airport because we don't have domestic flights. We have only international charter flights. Ibig sabihin, it's scheduled from Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Ito yun? Dito pala.
So you can see now the whole bay of Subic Bay kung saan tayo nandito kanina, far right ninyo. Tingnan niyo kung gaano kalawak ang nasasakap ng SBMA.
Lawak na.
So yung nakikita niyo mga parang mga bahay sa ibabaw ng bundok. That's the city of Olongapo. Yung pinakatulo, nakikita niyo ba? Sa kanan natin. So yung tinatawag namin lighthouse ng Olongapo. Known as Cementerio ng Olongapo. Kaya gusto mo ng bahay, marami po. Ano po ba yun?
No thanks.
So we have now the 2.7 kilometer runway of the Subic Bay International Airport. Ang Subic Bay International Airport, during the time of Americans, known as one of our highest peak of the mountains. It's about 5,000 feet of concrete mountains. The name of the area is UB Point. Bakit siya tinawag ng UB Point? Derived under the Construction Unit Battalion 1. Kaya siya tinawag ng UB. And also a challenge with Admiral Arturo Ratnord. Ang sabi ng kanyang official is, can you build it? Kaya tinawag nilang UB because of the airport. Nasa itaas po kayo, ang design ng ating airport is look like an aircraft carrier. So ganun po yung design niya. We have building 8050 to your right side. That is our yung areas ng aming main control tower of the airport po namin. Which are andyan po yung Pag-asa Weather Bureau. At the same time, andyan din po yung aming pinaka-powerful monitors if we have some. We have a Latin building to your far right. Yung Latin building natin yan is formerly known as the FedEx Hub. Kaya lang po natapos na po ang kontrata ng FedEx. They will be transferred to Guangdong, China. And we're waiting for UPS. So, ibig po sabihin, dahil po may mga tayo mga investors, may pumapalit din po kagad.